everyone, I am Aasim here. So today I made remote controlled robot with the help of IR remote, IR receiver in my robot kit. So I will give you a short description about what is IR receiver. So IR receiver, we use it in our day-to-day life. Like we use it for TVs, for running ACs and many more. Like move backward. So first let me show you the code. So this is my code. So in this code what I did is I included the library which includes so many codes and you see these numbers. These are the values for the buttons which I showed you see these are the connection pins which I connected, and this is the IR receiver pins digital pin number. And so come on, let's go test. So as you are all waiting for the test, let's do it. I have my remote, so I should go exactly to the IR receiver and press. So when I press plus, it will move forward. So I press plus, it's moving forward. So when I press minus, it moves backward. So when I press turn right, it moves, and when I press turn left, it moves.